So hi and welcome in this new video. Today I'm here to share with you 5 passive income ideas when you can make money without involving your time. It's clear you cannot make money just by sleeping, but at the beginning you should put some work. But you can create something that will during a lot of period of time and you will constantly making money. So the first step is about stock market. I've done this for about a few months and I can say that I've made some good profit, but since I have not an amazing strategy and was pretty much everything with my own and from my own experience and ideas, I have not had an incredible success. But I know a lot of people online and out there in my city that really found success doing the stocks market, trading actions, shares and other stuff. So this can be a really good point for you. For example, the platform that I use, it's called IQ Option. It's really simple. Maybe they take a little bit big commission on what the price of the stocks, but you can try it. I am not paid to do it. I will not give you an affiliate link, but I just want to make sure that you find the best thing for you and the most simple, because if you are at the beginning, just start, go on YouTube and search some tips, some stuff that you can learn online, and then you go with maybe IQ Option, or you can choose other platforms, other companies where you maybe are more comfortable, and then you can try to spend, maybe take your $100 and then start trading with some strategies. Because the biggest mistake that I see that a lot of people make is that they approach the stock market like it is the casino, and maybe they go there, they just put in the computer $100 and they just gamble up and downs and other stuff. But I've tried this and I can say that it doesn't work. Maybe it works for 3, 2 or maybe 10 times, but during the long term this will not bring you results. And simply doing this, you will try learning and you will create a passive income, because you can maybe trade your stocks for just 5 minutes a day and make an incredible amount of profits, depending on what your ability and what your experience. The next point is about renting parking. This is an idea that I had for 2 years and I will absolutely do it in the future. It's simple. Buy a parking. Now I don't know exactly how it works in your local area, but for example here there is a lot of people that buy parkings and just rent to other people. Maybe you can rent the parking of your house or of your apartment if maybe you don't use it. Because there is a lot of people that work around your house and they need a parking because maybe their company doesn't have parking for everyone. So you can make maybe $100 a month or maybe 80, 50 depending on your area. Maybe a lot of people told me that the wash the cars for $50 was too much, but I am saying everything about my prospecting living here in Switzerland, and here the prices are really higher than other cities. So you should find the right price for your location, and I am just saying you a little target, just an idea. But if parking in your area will rent for maybe $50 or $30, you can do it and there is no problem with it. But doing this, you will just spend some time just buy the property, and then you will just find a person that it's available to pay you and use the parking. And maybe you can go on Craigslist and post that you have a parking that you rent for maybe $50 every month, so the people will see it and they will call you. So you don't have a lot of time involved to go contact people, search for clients and other stuff. You already maybe spent 1 day of working from buying the property and then writing the information to rent it, and then you will come up with some people that are interested, and you will have pretty much passive income for a long period of time, because if someone works there, the probability that they keep working in that location is really high, and if they find that your place is good and it's really comfortable for them, they will stay with you for a long period of time. The next point is about YouTube. YouTube is not completely passive, because you should put a lot of hours, a lot of work, and also some money to grow a really great YouTube channel. As you can see now, I have a new camera and I have a mic, so I hope that everything looks better, and I am trying to improve the quality of the video and also the quality of my language, because as you may know, my main language is Italian, it's not English, so some words will maybe be a little wrong or strange to you, but I am here to improve myself. So, returning to the YouTube, pretty much you can create a lot of videos, and then these videos can get views while you are sleeping. A lot of time I wake up in the morning and I see that a lot of people have watched my video, I get some new comments, some new subscribers, and everything during the time that I spend sleeping on my bed. So I can see this, that is passive, and also I will reach 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours or watch time, my channel will be monetized, so I will pretty much make money while I sleep, because people will see my videos and there will be some ads, and when people see videos, especially if it's in English, there is a lot of people from USA. By the way, let me know in the comment where you're from. There are a lot of people from USA and all around the world, and there is different times, so when I sleep, United States are awake, so this is more passive than what it should be. So I advise to you to maybe start some ideas to start your channel, and just creating the snowball effect that will grow your channel. But just remember, be consistent and don't lose the hope. Don't be scared if you don't see a lot of growing in the beginning, because if you have seen my video about that I keep posting with just 300-400 subscribers, I advise you to go check that out, so it can give you a perspective and a motivation to stay consistent on YouTube. The next point, this can be maybe a little bit difficult and maybe a little bit expensive at the beginning, but it is real estate. Now, I am not an expert in real estate, but I will absolutely learn more, so I'm not here to tell you advices and other stuff, but I'm telling you that a lot of people, millionaires, billionaires, are made from real estate. As you can see, Grant Cardone always buys a ton of real estate, Tai Lopez has real estate, pretty much every successful person has some real estate. So I think that it's a good idea to start learning and start seeing how real estate works. And maybe I am not saying that you should create your own deal, but maybe invest with other people. If you already know people that are investing in real estate, just contact them and ask them if you can do a collaboration. Maybe you invest, I don't know, $10,000, and then you get a percentage of their rent from every month. So you do a little investment, and then you will learn how the structure works and how effectively the real estate industry works. And the next point and last one, it's about the personal brand. And here I will explain why, because personal brand, it's not really passive, but I can say that it's a mix between passive and active, because it's active because you should always keep in the work, show up at the work, meet new people, just keep consistent your work, because if not, your personal brand will die. But it's also passive because at the beginning you will put a lot of hours, a lot of time in your personal brand, and maybe it's growing really slow and you are not happy. But during a long period of time, there is also here the snowball effect that will give you a lot of followers. Then more you have social proof, more people will follow you. And just to make you an example, if a company pays you $100 to wear their t-shirt, and then you go around your street, you go do your commissions, you work, you do your videos, you do everything with the t-shirt from that company that they paid you. This is passive because you already should do everything that you should do, but you're just wearing a piece of clothing from another company and they are paying you, because you will not go out without a t-shirt. So this was everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because I am improving the quality just for you guys, and also I want that you really succeed and improve in your life. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.